Hello guys, this is Donzia and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching about how to do Nin modification for people that are interested in learning how to do how. So in this video, as you can see here, I talk about Nin issue and any topic relating to Nin. And as you can see, I've been making Nin videos since 2021, and I have a lot of topic here, even though some have been removed by YouTube due to violation or stuff. So if this is type of video that you will like to learn how to do so, you just have to watch it to the end. And as you can see right here, these are videos that I've made. I mean, full tutorial video, A to Z, step by step process, talking about each stages from name modification, from introduction to name modification, date of birth, how to do affidavit of date of birth. And I've also posted videos on how to do complete attestation that you are going to use for the date of birth. As you can see, here is complete attestation video made for how to do this attestation online, step by step tutorial, full tutorial, everything you need to know. I've made it available in this video. And if you are not getting anything, like you are not sure of how to run it, you also have a free access of talking to me one-on-one, guiding you till you got the whole process. So I don't want to show a lot of personal info in this video because I don't want YouTube to remove it in future based on their policy of removing videos that is showing personal info. So I am trying to keep this clean as possible. And this is my post, and if you check my post here, you can see this is a sample of modification that I have done. As you can see, I'm not showing much information here, so I'm just showing, you are seeing a picture and a tracking ID that have been blurred. So I'm just showing you that this works and I know what I'm doing. And this is the result, as you can see, posted on my status too, showing the before and after of this particular job. So basically, that's to show you that you are on the right track if you want to learn how to modify your client's NIN information remotely, directly, virtually, any one of the above. Even you can call it non-appearance. So if you are interested, you are free to talk to me via the email address that is showing on this video. So see you in class. Peace out.